how to get a YouTube premium discount. So if you want to get a YouTube premium discount, then currently there are four ways in which you could get the YouTube premium discount. So if you open up your YouTube premium, like you can simply go for the search and search for youtube.com/premium, then it will take you to the premium page. And if you are based on US, then you can get YouTube premium for 14 USD per month. But as you can see here, I have it for $3.49 per month. So you will get an option of 1 month free trial, right? And you can also go with the any plan like family or student plan. You can simply click on it and then you can have the individual family or student plan, and you can simply go with confirm and you can get a plan. And this is the first way to get the free premium discount. And the second way is you need to have a VPN. So make sure you're connected to a VPN. All you need to do is get a VPN. And once you have your VPN connected, you need to connect to a country. You can also try some South American countries. And once you change your IP address, all you have to do is refresh your page, and instead of the 14 USD per month, you will get more discount based on that country. So in this way, you can get a YouTube premium discount. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.